let's unbox this Disney Mini Brands Advent Calendar. Also, welcome to my channel, Notorious Crafts, where I talk about all things miniatures and absolutely love Disney. And if you like those kind of videos, subscribe down below. And on the back of the packaging, they show some of the mini brand items that we're going to get. These all look like Series 2 items, which I'm really excited about. I also will put some links down below in the description to where you can find your own Disney Mini Brands Advent Calendar. The numbers on this calendar are not in order, so let's find number 1. And the first mini brand item that I got is a mini Jessie. I do have this one. I believe this is Series 1. Did not realize they were going to be putting Series 1 items, which is fine. I thought that the image on the calendar would coordinate to what I got inside, so I thought I would be getting Grogu, but I guess that is not the case. All right, let's open up this second one, and it looks like it's an animator's doll. This one is Anna. It's also a Series 1 mini brands. I'm also opening all of these in one sitting instead of opening them one day at a time. In box number 3, I have a clone from Star Wars. This is a duplicate for me. I do have this one, which this one is also a Series 1 item. In slot number 4, this one is a Mickey toy car. I did get this one in a previous unboxing that I did, and I'll put a link to that video down below in the description. I unboxed a lot of Disney mini brands in that video. In slot number 5, I got a Spider-Man action figure, which is another one from Series 1. So far, it's looking like all of these are Series 1. I'm hoping that they do have some Series 2 items, since that is what it is being advertised on this box. The 6th item is a mini Cinderella doll. I absolutely love the Disney princess dolls. These ones are always my favorite. In box number 7, this one is a Captain America shield. I do have this one, again, from my previous unboxing, so this is a duplicate for me. In slot number 8, I got a Lightning McQueen car. I love the details of mini brands. Even though I'm getting ones that I've gotten before, I still love how detailed all of these mini toys are. Item number 9 is from Toy Story. This one is a Bullseye toy. Love Toy Story, one of my favorite movies from growing up. Item number 10 is a tiny Grogu bottle. I wish I did get an actual Grogu doll like is advertised on the front of this box, but I still really like this one. Number 11 is a little Woody doll. It looks like I'm getting so many from Toy Story. And so far, all the details have been really good on these mini toys. I haven't seen any imperfections, which is always nice. Sometimes you never know with mini brands. Some of the toys can have some imperfections in them. Item number 12 is a mini doll, and it looks like her pet cat is printed on the packaging. I wish it actually came with a mini figure of her cat as well. We are halfway through opening these, and so far all of these have been Series 1. In slot number 13 is a Stormtrooper helmet. I don't have this one yet. I think this one might be the first Disney Series 2 item, which I'm really happy. Hopefully some of the other items in the other slots are also Series 2. Item number 14 is a Black Widow action figure. This is one that I have already, and this one that I got right now does not have any imperfections. All the packaging is perfect on it too. Number 15 is a Snow White from the Animators Collections. I love these so much. Perfect detail. Really happy with this one. I don't mind getting more of the Disney princess ones. Number 16, I got another Disney princess. This one is Princess Aurora. Her hair does look really dark. It's supposed to be blonde, so that might be an error. I'm not sure. Number 17 is a mini pink phone. This is so cute, painted perfectly too. Another one from Series 1. Item number 18 looks like an Avengers action figure. Let's see up close who this one is. This one is Iron Man. I don't have this one yet. I think this might be our second Series 2 item. I'm happy I'm getting a few more Series 2, not as much as I would like though. And number 19 is a Spider-Man mask. In slot number 20, this one is one of the exclusive ones. It's all gold. It's an all gold Woody. Something about it does look a little bit off. Maybe the eyes seem a little bit bigger than they're supposed to be. If you compare it to the other Woody that I got, I think the eyes just seem a little bit off. I don't know. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. Number 21 looks like a little Minnie Mouse lunchbox. It's made of all plastic. It does not look like it opens. I think this might be glued shut, which is a shame. It'd be nice if this actually was usable and you could open the lid. Toy number 23 looks like a Star Wars toy. This one is R2-D2. I just realized I missed number 22, so let's open that one up right now. And it's an Animators Collection Ariel doll. Again, Disney Princess ones are my favorite ones. It's absolutely beautiful. And last but not least, number 24 is a golden Chewbacca. I have never seen this one, so this is one of the exclusive ones. Here are all 24 of the Disney mini brand toys that I got in the advent calendar. Only 2 of the toys are from the Series 2 collection, and then I also got 2 exclusive ones, and 20 of them are from Series 1. I really thought I would have gotten a lot more from Series 2, which is how the box is advertising this entire calendar. All of these toys look like they're from the Disney Mini Brands Series 2. I don't see a single one on the box from Series 1, so I do think that's false advertising. Maybe I just had really bad luck with these. If any of you had the advent calendar and also got Series 1 mostly, please let me know down below in the comments. I would love to know if maybe it was just my own bad luck. One nice thing about the calendar is that you do not get any duplicates, or you don't get any of those empty boxes or paper bags, which nobody likes. So you do get all toys, which is one plus. But again, I just wish that they had a more variety between the 2 series. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and then I'll see you guys in the next video I make.